Come in.
Good morning, Miss Hafi.
Good morning, Chifa. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
I'm glad you could make it today.
Thank you for inviting me. I've been looking forward to our discussion.
So have I. We finished reviewing your manuscript and I'd like to share our evaluation with you.
That's wonderful. I'm excited to hear your feedback.
Overall, our editorial team was very impressed with your manuscript. The writing is engaging, the structure is well organized, and the content is both informative and relevant to today's readers.
Thank you very much. I spent almost 2 years researching and writing this book, so your feedback means a lot to me.
It certainly so. We believe your book has strong commercial potential, especially among university students and young professionals.
That's exactly the audience I hope to reach.
After several internal discussions, we've decided that we'd like to offer you a publishing partnership.
I'm glad to hear that. I will always admire your publishing company because of its professionalism and the quality of the publication.
Thank you, Shifa. We appreciate your trusting us.
Before we discuss the details, may I ask what made your company interested in my manuscript?
Of course, we receive hundreds of manuscripts every month, but yours stood out because it offers practical insight supported by real examples. In addition, your writing style is easy to understand, making it suitable for a wide range of readers.
I'm glad my hard work paid off.
It certainly did.
So, what kind of partnership are you offering?
Let's go over the details together.
I'd like to talk about the initial print run first. Since the topic in this book is currently trending, would it be possible to increase the first print run to 3,000 copies instead of 2,000?
That's an interesting suggestion. However, for a first-time collaboration, printing 3,000 copies will involve a higher financial risk.
I understand your concern. My reason is that I believe the book has strong market potential, especially with the promotional activities I plan to conduct.
We appreciate your confidence. How about meeting halfway? We could print 2,500 copies for the first edition.
This sounds reasonable. I can agree to 2,500 copies.
Excellent. If the first edition sells out quickly, we will immediately discuss a second printing.
Speaking of a second printing, will the royalty rate remain the same?
Yes, the 10% royalty will apply to every copy sold, including future reprints, unless both parties agree to revise the terms.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you have any other concerns?
Yes, I'd like to know how often royalty payments will be made.
We normally calculate royalties every 3 months and transfer the payment directly to the author's bank account.
We also receive a detailed sales report.
Absolutely, every quarterly report will include the number of books printed, books sold, remaining stock, return copies, and the royalty calculation.
That's very transparent. I appreciate that.
Transparency is one of our company's core values.
Thank you. Another question I have is about copyright.
Certainly.
I would like to retain full ownership of the copyright.
That won't be a problem. You will remain the copyright holder. Our company will only receive the exclusive right to publish, print, market, and distribute the book during the contract period.
That's exactly what I was hoping for.
We believe intellectual property should always belong to its creator.
I'm happy to hear that your company values another rights.
Of course.
I'd also like to discuss promotional activities besides promoting the book of social media. I'm willing to attend book fairs, university seminars, interview, and book signing event.
That's excellent. In return, our marketing department will organize promotional campaigns, collaborate with bookstores, advertise on digital platforms, and contact several media outlets for interviews.
That sounds like a comprehensive marketing strategy.
We want to maximize the book's visibility from the very beginning.
I really appreciate that commitment.
We'd also like to hear your opinion about the book's retail price.
I think affordable price would attract more readers. What price are you considering?
Based on our production costs, we're planning to sell it for 120,000 rupiah per copy.
That sounds reasonable. I believe readers will find good value at that price.
I'm glad you agree.
I have one more request.
Please go ahead.
Would it be possible to reserve 30 complimentary copies instead of 20? I'd like to use them for book reviewers, influencers, and promotional giveaway.
30 copies would be a little difficult for us.
I understand. What would you be comfortable offering?
How about 25 complimentary copies? We believe that's a fair compromise.
That's acceptable. Thank you for being flexible.
You're welcome.
Another thing I'd like to clarify is the duration of our publishing agreement.
We usually sign a publishing agreement for 5 years. After that, both parties can decide whether to renew it.
5 years sounds reasonable.
During the period, we will have the exclusive publishing rights, while you will continue to own the copyright.
That's clear.
If the book performs exceptionally well, we may also discuss translating it into English or publishing a digital edition.
That would be a wonderful opportunity. I've always hoped my work could reach international readers.
We believe that possible if the book achieves strong sales.
I am willing to support that goal.
Excellent. I believe we've successfully reached an agreement on the major business terms.
I agree. Thank you for listening to my concern and being open to negotiation.
Negotiation is an important part of building a successful partnership. We want both parties to feel satisfied with the agreement.
I appreciate your professionalism.
Thank you, Shifa. Now I'd like to discuss the next step before we prepare the official publishing contract.
Currently, what do you have in mind?
Before signing the publishing contract, we'd like both parties to sign a MOU. It summarizes the key points we've agreed on today and serves as the foundation for the final contract.
That sounds reasonable. What information will be included in the MOU?
MOU will include the agreed royalty rate of 10%, the initial print run of 2,500 copies, the number of complimentary copies, your promotional responsibilities, our publishing and distribution commitments, the copyright arrangement, and the payment schedule for royalties.
I think that's a good way to make sure we're on the same spec before signing the full contract.
Exactly. It also allows both of us to review the agreement carefully before it becomes legally binding.
I appreciate your company's professional approach.
Thank you. We always aim to build long-term relationship with our authors.
When would you like to sign the MOU?
Would next Wednesday at 10 a.m. be convenient for you?
Yes, that works perfectly. I'll make sure to be here on time.
Wonderful. We'll email you the draft tomorrow so you can review it before the meeting.
Thank you. If I have any question after reading it, may I contact you?
Of course, feel free to call or email me anytime.
Appreciate that.
Is there anything else you'd like to discuss today?
No, I think we've covered everything. Thank you for taking the time to answer my question.
It was my pleasure. We're excited to work with you.
So am I. Believe this partnership will be beneficial for both for us.
I completely agree.
Thank you again, Miss Hafi. I will see you next Wednesday.
Thank you, Shifa. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. I have a wonderful day.
Have time to review the MOU.
Yes, I read it carefully and everything matches our agreement.
Excellent. If you're ready, let's sign it.
I am ready.
Congratulations, our partnership officially begins today.
Thank you. I am happy to work with your company.
Our editorial team will begin editing next week, followed by printing and marketing.
Great. I'll also start promoting the book on my social media.
Perfect. I believe we'll make this book a success together.
I believe so too. Thank you for your professionalism.
Thank you, Shifa. We look forward to publishing your book.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.